Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all enjoyed last week's theme of all about the buns. If you all missed it, please jump right on over and check those out. So with this being a new week, you know, new week means new theme. So with the theme for this week, it's all about the Mohawks. So I did a tutorial on the Mohawk that you see here. Real simple. So we're going to jump right into it and check it out. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. I went on ahead and detangled and moisturized my hair before I started this video just for time purposes. So as you can see, this is what my hair looks like all detangled. So now what I'm going to do is actually start to part my hair in 3 equal sections. I'll start from the top, then I'll move from the middle, and then the back. Once I parted my hair into 3 equal sections, I clip off the front 2 and I start to use my detangling brush to detangle the back section to form it into a ponytail. Once I finish detangling the back section of my hair, I take my Eco Styling Gel and I start to apply that around that section so I can go ahead and smooth any hairs down into a ponytail. I actually do this process for the middle section as well as the front section. Once I finish applying the gel around that back section, I take my soft bristle brush and I start to brush my hair into a little ponytail in the back. And I will repeat this process for the middle section as well as the top section. Now that my back is placed into a ponytail, I just go back over just to make sure everything is smoothed down. And then I will begin that same process that you saw me do to the back section, to the middle section, as well as the front section. Now that my back section and my middle section have both been put into a ponytail, I will now start that same process in the front of my hair. have completed the front ponytail of my mohawk, I am now going back through with my comb and just forming some baby hairs. Like I said before, that is optional. You can either have it straight back or whatever design that you want in the front. This is just my preference. Now that I finished the front look, this is pretty much the basis of the mohawk. Right now I'm just taking my edge control and going around the edges of my mohawk and just smoothing down any loose hairs that I may see so it still looks like a sleek look and informs the mohawk, because you want that part to be smooth as possible. Now that all my edges are smoothed down, I take my curling gel and I actually apply that to all 3 ponytails just to reactivate some of the curls that I lost from detangling. And then I will go through each ponytail and pull section by section out and just twirl it around my fingers to form the curls that I want. So you'll see me doing that to my front, middle, and back. As you can see, I have moved that process onto my middle section, which I would do in the back section. I did want to throw out that once before, this is my texture of hair. I'm a mixed texture between 3C and 4A. So if you're trying to achieve that curly look and do not have 3C or 4A or this type of curl pattern, that's okay. You can achieve this look through perm rods and pretty much do the same thing that I'm doing. Okay guys, we are pretty much done with this look. I'm just fluffing things out so it can lay like I want to. In a minute you'll see me turn around so you can see the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If y'all have any questions, concerns, you know you can hit me up on any of my social media pages. Until next time, see you later.